Hey everyone, today I want to have a discussion about realistic expectations on ceramic coatings and what ceramic coatings can and cannot do for you. And I'm going to show you at the end some realistic expectations. I'm going to show you some demonstrations on this miniature test hood that we have that's ceramic coated. I'm going to give you all the knowledge that you need to know how to set expectations. So the question is always, will ceramic coating protect against swirls and scratches? Now, it doesn't really, but it can somewhat minimize them in two ways. It does have a very slight property that could, it is adding microns to the clear coat. So, at the very faintest touch, it may prevent or it kind of mitigates some swirl marks, which are typically 2 to 4 microns thick. And most ceramic coating layers are, 1 to 2 to 3 or whatever microns thick. So, and then also ceramic coating makes your vehicle easier to clean up. So when you make it easier to clean up, you require less effort to get the dirt off the surface. Less effort equals less likely to scratch the paint. If you've watched our other videos, you always see me saying every time you touch a car's paint is a chance you could scratch it. Well, ceramic coating makes it easier. So in a way, it kind of helps with that. But in terms of actual real world scratch protection, swirl protection, I'm going to show you later. I'm going to show you on this hood what that looks like real world. So stick around for that. I think the next question is, well, if it doesn't prevent swirls and scratches, then why are detailers around the world telling us that it does? And I'm going to tell you why. The reason is because what does prevent swirls and scratches is clear bra. And clear bra is a tens of thousands of dollars investment into your business to offer that service. And it's not affordable for many shops to get into. And so I think potentially people are kind of enhancing a swirls and scratch prevention aspect of ceramic coating that maybe doesn't entirely exist. And, they want to offer a solution to a problem at a much cheaper rate. Now, ceramic coating is infinitely cheaper than clear bra. And that's because the overhead on clear bra is extensive. The training is extensive. The practice and throwing away of material is extensive. The mistakes and having to redo, it's extensive. Nobody jumps into clear bra and they're an expert in the first week, where ceramic coating is a lot more friendly to your average detailer. So it is, does this, the client says, hey, does this protect against scratches? Absolutely, and I think that's because, a lot of people don't offer clear bra. So you're trying to give the best you can for the client, and there may be good intentions there, but at the end of the day, we're over-promising and we're under-delivering, and I think it is hurting our industry. And so, the profit margin on ceramic coating is definitely better for us, but I'm a car guy first, and so realistically, I want to see your vehicle protected and set realistic expectations. And I would rather a client spend less money but have the front end of the car protected than upsell them on a ceramic coating that's not going to do what they're looking for. So anyways, I promised you that I'd show you an example, and so I want you to join me as I show you on this miniature hood. Now you're going to see here, even with a high quality professional coating, it still scratches on our test hood, even though I wish it didn't, but it does. And you can see right here, this is not even that dirty of a rag. It was clean. I lightly touched some dust and scratched.